All right, boys and girls. So take your white paper, fold it into a hot dog. Take your hot dog and you are going to create like a little trifold here. Well, you just kind of evenly think about partitioning it into thirds going across. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? But this will help us keep our paper organized. Once you have done that, unfold it so that you have 6 equal sections on the front and 6 equal sections on the back. Take your pencil, label your sections. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. So you have 6 equal pieces on the front. And on the back, you have 6 more pieces, so we will continue. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So as I was looking through your practice today, I came across number 6. And I thought to myself, we probably need to write down number 6 together. So if you'll go back to the front page, go ahead and make sure that your name is on your paper somewhere. Then go ahead and look at the area labeled number 6. So yours will be online, and there are several questions where there are not pictures provided. So that's why we have this white construction paper to be able to write our pictures down. So when you get to number 6 today, your number 6 will be here. So when you get to yours in Schoology, your number 6 is going to be online, but it's going to look just like this. And it says, I am a rectangle with a length of 10 centimeters. My width is 2 centimeters shorter than my length. Which 2 statements are true? So what I'd like to do right now is I'd like to look at number 6, and I'd like to start with, what is the shape that I should probably draw for number 6? Michaela? A rectangle. So for number 6, I'm going to go ahead and draw a rectangle. When I go back to my details, it says my length is 10 centimeters. So what should I probably do to one of the pieces of my rectangle? I need to label it as 10 centimeters. Then I go back to my details and it says my width is 2 centimeters shorter than my length. What does that mean? What will my width be? My width is 2 centimeters shorter than my length. Victoria? It would be 8 centimeters. Because 10 minus 2 will give you 8. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish labeling this picture. Many mistakes that I happened to see yesterday were just because you weren't thinking carefully and slowly. So if the top is 10, the bottom is 10. If the right is 8, the left is 8. Now when I go back and I look at number 6, it looks like we're going to be finding 2 true statements. two statements are true. And as I scan, it's about perimeter and area. Perimeter and area. So right now, I'm going to go back and I'm going to find the perimeter for number 6. How would I find the perimeter for number 6? Carson, are you with us? How would I find the perimeter for the information for number 6? Weston. Adding all the sides. There happen to be 4 sides, so I'm just going to make some little blanks here. And then I'm going to fill them in. I know that I have 2 groups of 10 and I have 2 groups of 8. And what's 10 plus 10? 20. And what's 8 plus 8? 16. And if I take 20 and I add 16 to that, what will I get? 36. So the perimeter is 36. I'm also going to find the area of the shape. How would I find the area? Don't forget that you have your poster that we made in class. Please use it. Please use it. We would multiply the length times the width. I'm actually going to write that down. Area is the length times the width. Area is going to give me 10 times 8. What is 10 times 8 going to give me, Elin? 80. And that's square centimeters. This would just be centimeters. So now that I have the right information, when I go back and I'm looking at my answer choices, will I be able to find 2 answer choices? Yes. So I'm even going to write out here to the side, find 2 answer choices. Just to remind myself that there's not 1 answer there, but there's how many? 2. What questions can I answer for you?